So here's all the new bits we will be fitting today. There's a new water pump. I had a bit of an issue getting the old one out, as you can see. We thought we might be able to save it, get super glue and go back in, but we thought it should be cheaper just replace the whole thing. PVA? Yeah, but the money we would have spent on PVA, just cheaper to buy a whole new one. So that's that. That's the water pump. Time belt kit. Belt there. And we've got the tensioner, which will be changing. Replacing. One hand. Water pump. Oil filter. That's a thermostat. Oil filter. Alternator belt. Bottom cover gasket. Sump plug. Spark plugs. Gasket. New manifold. The reason why we're changing that is, I'll show you. In one of the videos I did show how I spun the bolt out. So first of all, we'll try and get that off. We got that off, and then undoing it, it snapped every single bolt. So then I thought, okay, we'll just change the complete manifold. It looks nicer. I hope it's going to sound a bit better.
It's quite restricted anyway.
Yeah. Should sound good. Rubbish, and then the downpipe part of it, again stepping the bolts, that could be reused before. Just change the whole lot. It was leaking. New bolts for the head anyway, it's good, new ones. New timing belt, new alternator belt. The car is a mess at the moment, but it's just storage because as you can see it's like a car park on my drive. And I need this to be able to move so you can get back on. So moving around freely on the drive. James now is going to be setting the timing. Once he's put the water pump in, we're going to clean it out, make sure there's nothing left of that broken pump laying around that can damage the engine further. Last thing we want to do is break the fan on the water pump. Then we'll set the rockers. Then we'll hopefully put the manifold on, connect that up, drain all the oil. Sorry for the towel. That's oil. Yeah, it was wet and I didn't want to lay on the wet floor, so I found a towel that I was willing to sacrifice. Yeah, and then hopefully put everything else in, get it running, and then we'll look to getting everything clean. On the suspension side of stuff, because we want it running mechanically sound before we waste any extra time or money on things that doesn't need it right yet, or right now, should I say. Get red rubber grease, everyone. Always. I suppose the question is, everyone asks, do you use silicone now, or do you put it in dry?
I don't use some red rubber grease. The thing is, you can put sealant on it.
It's got an O-ring.
Everyone's got their own preference. I know some people do it with Vaseline, but when it comes to O-rings,
trying to set up, trying to get good angles for the cameras to go in, but you can see a bit of everything. So, I suppose while James is doing that, there's only space for 2 hands in there. I might just try and start cleaning some bits, get ready. Just waffle on a little bit. New pump, old pump.
it's got an O-ring as well. Rubber grease in that boy. I think that old one's still good to go again. It's fine.
Everyone happy with that? Christian. Whose phone is that going off? Yours or mine?
Yeah, I can never focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me cause I'm freezing? If you want to see me it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promised you that I would do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah. You're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah. You're so easy to love. You're so easy to love. You're so easy to love. And I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love, yeah. You're so easy to love. You're so easy to love.
It did take 3 hours to take the wood pump out. Yeah, you done well because that's tight. Man. 3 hours. So it literally microphone was so swollen. I had to get that in instead. I had to spin it that way and then bring it back in that way. Sure that over and see nicely.
has all its bits back on. Temp sensor, the fan, O-ring, the hose for once. James has now locked the timing in place. He's going to put the other one to lock the crank. This pump is in now and bolted up.
To be fair though, this is quite good. This engine I don't think you really need it. You can get away without doing it. You've got the tools.
What are you like? Brand new. Again, that looks so like rough. Do you think that? That's black or something? Or throw it on?
Nah, throw it on, man.
It's a shame. It's such a nice clean rack.
What's that?
It's so nice and clean, but it's probably good. It's bad enough money. I've got every brand new nut and bolt on it.
We just need to get this running at full sending now.
That's it.
We're overdue a track day this now.
It's been so long, I can't remember half of these bolts go. Does the other end go? Oh, hold on, that's slightly,
No.
that's step down, no?
No, it isn't that.
Can I try it just to give it a go? Because it's got like a chamfered edge on that.
Yeah.
Ah.
If you look at the manual, it shows you it's this one. 100%. Because it's the way that it goes in that I'll show you.
Let's just put something else.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but
No, it's definitely that way.
so what's that line there? It looks like that, because that's chamfered.
That,
That's got like a turned down end.
that wouldn't be like that though.
It could be. Because most of it's probably engaged in there. I'd say it's that end.
It's not because you'd need to hold on to that. I'll try it. I know what you're saying.
Try it.
I could be wrong.
There you go, it's locked.
Is that locked?
Yep.
Actually?
Yep.
Go on.
It's locked.
Yeah. Right, is that on TDC? You're the man, bro. See? Yeah. Don't listen to me. I know nothing. Oh, well done. And that's bang on, isn't it? That's bang on, bro. Now it's timing mark to bang, grab the... Basically, guys, don't listen to what I'm doing. Yeah, it's a good thing Mario's done the radiator as well. Look, that's a fucking job. I probably would have put the fan upside down, the wrong way round. Like,
You see, on the tool, it's slightly, I don't know if you can see it on the camera,
Yeah,
it's slightly turned down.
Yeah.
Just enough to get it through where it needs to go. But there's the little hole here. It's already on top of the centre. And it literally just goes... Yeah. No, in place now, it's probably not going to work. Yeah.
got to wiggle it whilst he's doing that.
And now that is locked. Yep, that is definitely locked. Just to make sure it's not locked on something else. No, it's turning freely.
Okay. Right, bring it back.
There it goes.
Yeah, and turn it.
That's it, so turn it.
Yeah, cool.
We fixed it. Done. Can we turn the engine now?
Yes. And we've got the proper locking pin in here. And there. See, I've managed to work out that one.
Yeah.
Cool. We've got a microphone on, so careful what you say. Yeah. That was the boss, everyone. That's nice and clean now. That pump had been leaking a bit. There was so much debris around that pulley, you know. Let me just get a bit more brake cleaner.
I've got a big can of it if you need. You got.
Yeah, I've got oh, sorry. Anything for this community, mate. This.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
Got the right end that
And
time.
that's why you need the tools. Look at that. So you could probably get away with using the subplug.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Got the right end this time. Good job.
What are we doing for lunch, mate?
You eating today?
Well,
I thought you didn't want to break your fast.
Well, I won't until later, but
Yeah.
by the time we're finished,
Yeah.
do you know what I mean? Tension is 20 newton meters. Right, just do that. Tensioner.
It's a good thing we didn't get the air filter. We forgot to get the air filter. Ugh.
Problem is, it's just like lots going on, isn't it?
That's it. We do that another time. That's not
Yeah.
critical. Well, it is, but
How-to video, how to replace.
yeah. Do it step by step.
Very complicated, that. Mate, she's gonna purr, isn't she?
I reckon so.
She's gonna purr. Time and attention is
Can this bit be opened up? Can that be opened up?
Nah.
Because the little filter things.
That's a PCV valve.
Yeah. Well, that's. I haven't got to try and open it up and get a new one of these. Because the little cap in there's come loose.
Yeah, it's fucked. Yeah, that needs replacing.
Yeah.
PCV valve. But you can buy an oil catch can.
Yeah.
So what that does, it recirculates because there'll be a vent pipe for the rock.
So just block that off and put a catch bottle there.
Yeah, block that off and then get an oil catch tank.
Alright, that's what we'll do.
Yeah.
That is what we shall do.
Aye. I think so, man. I think so. That's a lot better now. A lot better. It's quite hard trying to wrap it because you know the crank sits really tight on this one as well.
I'm really looking forward to cleaning this up. Cleaning this up.
Right, let's spin it 4 times. Yeah, I'm happy with that tension now, mate. See that?
Lovely
job.
job.
It was just so
Ah, did you not put the
finicky.
plastic cover on first?
For what?
That goes behind it.
For what?
It's 2-piece cover.
For what?
The timing cover.
I didn't know. I never took it apart.
I'm only joking. I think I'm joking. No, that goes on the outside. No, I'm only messing. I'm only winding you up.
Oh, I was about to cry. Cheers.
Cheers.
Just that extra little hole. Every time I kept trying to go there, it just kept dropping. That one tooth, and you should have seen how flappy it was. I was like, no, we can't. I know we want to fix stuff on this channel, but boy, I want to run this.
Master blaggers.
I'm telling you. Some good angles of us spinning on it. That's nice and tight, man. So you use a little tension gauge on these, yeah, but you can feel when it's good. You know when you know, didn't you?
You know when you know, he says.
Let's go.
You got the thermostat, haven't you? I can change the thermostat.
Yeah.
I can change the thermostat. I can do something.
What's the old tensioner? Has that got a locator?
In the. Oh no, yeah, sorry.
Has it got a locator on the back?
I think maybe just needs to be pushed on just that tiny bit more on the tension. I think it'll be fine.
You think it's the water pump? Sorry, that's not straight.
It's definitely home the pump, innit?
Yeah.
There it is. Oh, that's alright. Don't worry too much. Freshly jet washed driveway.
Making use out of your new jet wash, aren't they?
Yeah.
Didn't think it would leak.
That's right, don't worry.
Um,
Give me an excuse to use the jet wash again.
Sit rubber. No, there's no locator on the. I did check that as well. Alright, cool. Maybe the belt just wasn't lined up properly. Let's.
Out with the old. We're right in with the new.
Oh yeah. Red wire will do.
Yeah.
Do that again then, isn't it?
Oh. Clean, clean, clean.
Good enough for you.
Is there supposed to be?
No, not on this one. Some of them have locator down there, so you can put it in its position to lock the tension in place. But this doesn't have it. It's floating.
Brand new. Still got a battery tray before the battery goes in.
Maybe we should do like a detailing challenge, see if we can do it better than the car detailer, because one of the guys, his son, does it for a job.
Nice. Just something therapeutic watching something being cleaned, isn't it? Something being fixed is one thing, but then the actual getting the brushes out and getting in the little. I had a thing. How do you say it? Nuts and crannies.
Nuts and crannies.
You know when you want to get in the corner, you go,
Nuts and
in the nooks and crannies. It took me. I was sitting under the car. I was like, yeah, I got to get in the nooks and crannies. I'm like, nooks and crannies, cuts and crannies. Mate, I could not get the words out. Like, get the words out of my mouth. I can't get the words out of my mouth at the best of times. Nooks and crannies. I know it now. Stop.
Feel like it wasn't sitting flush. I've managed to get it to sit flush now.